Hi, my friends again. So I am going to be making some Play-Doh. I know you guys like to use Play-Doh at school, so maybe you have some at home or you just want to try making some. So we will need 1 cup of flour. So I'm going to put the flour in the bowl, 1 cup of flour, and I need 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cups of 1 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup salt, and I need 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, right there. And I am going to mix that up, just like that. I know how much you guys like playing with Play-Doh, and you can do this at home with your parents. Maybe you can measure the flour and the salt for mom and dad. I am going to, then we need 1/2 cup of water, warm water, 1/2 cup of warm water. And I'm going to make red Play-Doh. Now, if you want different colors, you could do another batch or divide it in two and make different color Play-Doh. But I'm just going to make some red one just to show you. Okay? So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3 drops of red food coloring. And I am going to put it in here like that. And then I am going to mix it around like so. So you have your food coloring in here, and then you'll be able to play with your Play-Doh. You probably use your mom's, if you do not have Play-Doh cutters at home, you could probably use cookie cutters or just build things with it. So I'm just going to use my hand and mix it around until I get all the flour mixed in, okay? And I know you would love to help mom and dad do this, right? It's fun kneading it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it out on my board like that. And I'm going to knead it. Okay, there you go. Let me take that out of the way so you can see. And I am kneading that. And I know you guys will have so much fun doing this part, kneading. So we're kneading our Play-Doh. Just like that. There you go. That's your Play-Doh. So you can make your own Play-Doh at home. Just like that. And this Play-Doh will last you probably around 2 to 3 months. Okay? And here we go. We made ourselves some Play-Doh. Some red Play-Doh. So you can squish it out like that. Right? Look at that. We make our own Play-Doh. And I can even use my my measuring spoon to make a circle out of it like that. See? Just so. Oh. Here you go. You can use cookie cutters or whatever, or you can roll them. You can roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And I think I'll make me a snake. Ooh, I think I'm making a snake. See? Judi made a snake Yay! And then you can use it and make all kind of different things, right? Whatever you want to do with it, you can do. So that is our Play-Doh, how to make Play-Doh. So, and then you can, when you're not using it, you put it into a Ziploc bag and you close it until you're ready for it again to use. And you'll have your Play-Doh every time. Sorry about that. So remember, you need 1 cup flour, and you need 1/4 cup of salt, and you need 1 tablespoon cream of tartar, and 1 cup, half a cup of warm water, and a couple drops of food coloring, whichever colors that you like to do. Well, that's it. Enjoy making your own Play-Doh and having fun. Bye.